Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have studied about adverbs and we have studied the kinds of adverbs. Now, today we are going to start exercise number 1 given on page number 39, that is, fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs given below. तो यहाँ पर जितने भी हमें बॉक्स में एडवर्ब्स दिए हुए हैं इन्हें देखकर हमें इन सेंटेंसेस को फिल करना है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ द नाइटिंगेल सॉन्ग. तो यहाँ पे हम नाइटिंगेल कैसा गाना गाती है? स्वीट. तो यहाँ हम लिख देंगे फर्स्ट वन में द नाइटिंगेल सॉन्ग स्वीटली, SWEETLY, स्वीटली. देन सेकेंड वन इज़ गो होम डायरेक्ट, DIRECT, डायरेक्ट. Then third one is he dash talks to you. He never talks to you. NEVER, never. Then fourth one is he dash goes to the movies. He lately goes to the movies. LATELY, lately. उसके बाद फिफ्थ वन इज़ यू शुड वर्क हार्ड, HARD, हार्ड. देन सिक्स्थ वन इज़ ही केम रेदर दैन हिज फ्रेंड, RATHER, रेदर. देन सेवेंथ वन इज़ ही इज़ क्वाइट अ लेज़ी बॉय, QUITE, he is quite a lazy boy. Then eighth one is I dash call on him. I seldom call on him, SELDOM. यहाँ पर सेल्डम का मीनिंग होता है कि बहुत ही कम या फिर बहुत ही मतलब अपन जब महीने में एक आध बार कॉल कर लेते हैं, दैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ सेल्डम, कि बहुत ही रेयर हम वो चीज़ कर रहे हैं. हम वो चीज़ डेली नहीं करते, हम वो चीज़ बहुत रेयरली करते हैं, मतलब कभी कभी. देन नाइन्थ वन इज़ ही डैश वर्क्स फॉर 2 hours a day. देन he honestly works for 2 hours a day. तो यहाँ पर हम लिख देंगे honestly, HONESTLY. Then 10th one is he dash has deceived me. He nearly has deceived me, NEARLY. He nearly has deceived me. Then 11th one is I have dash finished my work. I have hardly finished my work. The timetable has certainly been changed, CERTAINLY. Then 13th one is he dash drinks. He often drinks, OFTEN, often drinks. Then 14th one is I am rich dash to support you. I am rich enough to support you, ENOUGH. Then 15th one is I was dash glad to teach him. I was very glad to teach him. So like that we have filled these sentences and now we are going to continue with these sentences once again. हम इसको एक बार और पढ़ेंगे. So from the first one we will read the sentence again. The nightingale sang sweetly. यहाँ पे song का sang होगा, it is misprinted. यहाँ पे इसको हम sang कर देंगे तो ये बन जाएगा द नाइटिंगेल sang sweetly. Go home direct. He never talks to you. He lately goes to the movies. You should work hard. He came rather than his friend. He is quite a lazy boy. I seldom call on him. He honestly works for 2 hours a day. He nearly has deceived me. I have hardly finished my work. The timetable has certainly been changed. He often drinks. I am rich enough to support you. I was very glad to teach him. So, like that, we have written all these adverbs in the sentences, and these adverbs you have to write first 8 sentences in your English grammar copy, because there is only one exercise of this chapter. तो पहले के जो 8 हैं ये आपको आपकी इंग्लिश ग्रामर कॉपी में लिखना है.